Hi, everyone. Today, we are making a gorgeous 3-pocket folio using this beautiful paper. It's part of the Cherry Blossom Junk Journal Collage Papers collection, which is available in my shop. You can find the link in the pinned comment below. First, let's take our sheet and fold it into 3 equal parts. Make sure to leave a small tab of about 1 centimeter, or 0.4 inches, at the edge. Next, on this third folded section, I'm going to draw 3 lines to mark exactly where I want each pocket to be. Now, let's cut along those lines and add a few details to shape our pockets. To give it that lovely vintage look, I'm going around all the edges with some ink from my ink pad. Finally, let's glue down the pockets, and our folio is ready. It's that simple. Now you can decorate it however you like. Lace, fussy cuts, or ephemera will look absolutely beautiful on this. Have fun with it, and happy crafting!